Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing the very popular Dyson Airwrap. So if you want to check if it is worth 45,000 rupees and my reviews on this product, then do watch this video until the end. And if you're new to my channel and seeing me for the first time, then make sure you've subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. And now without further ado, let's get started. So Dyson Airwrap is a straightening and curling tool that works on a phenomena called quanda, which curves the air to wrap and attract the hair into the barrel with minimum heat damages. Now if I have to say that Dyson Airwrap doesn't damage your hair at all, then it will be a false statement, because all heat straightening tools or hairstyling tools damage your hair to up to a certain extent. But Dyson Airwrap claims that it styles the hair with minimal heat damages. Now I have used a couple of hairstyling tools from other brands as well, and they do damage the hair. They cause split ends, and I also experience a certain amount of hair fall. But I'm using Dyson Airwrap since 5 months now, because I got this one in last September and I didn't experience any hair fall or split ends as such. So Dyson Airwrap comes in a very beautiful and luxurious box. So it comes in 6 different attachments to style your hair, and in 2 beautiful colors, pink and red. I own the pink color because I'm always on for pink, and it was also launched in copper color. This was a special edition. So this is how the styling machine looks like. You can attach your different attachments over here. It has got a button. You just need to press it downwards to attach your attachment or to detach it, and it has got 3 different settings. This is the on and off button and also the cool shot. So if you press this button until the top, it will give a cool shot, and this setting is for fan, so you can keep it at low, medium or high speed. And another setting is for temperature, so you can keep it at cool, medium heat and then very high heat. Alright, so now let's see the 6 attachments the Dyson Airwrap comes with. So this is the first attachment. These are the curling barrels, and you can see there is a direction mentioned on these barrels, so you're supposed to use this on the directions mentioned. So these are the bigger barrels and they will provide the bigger curls. Now the second attachment is this small barrel. So this is used to create more of beachy waves. And then we have these 2 brushes. So these 2 are used to straighten your hair. So this one straighten your hair more. So if you have curly hair like me, then you can use this attachment, and if you already have silky straight hair, then this one will work better for you. This is the dryer that comes with the Dyson Airwrap. So you can dry your hair with this one. I have been using this one so much. I mean, whenever I wash my hair, I just blow dry my hair with this attachment. So I use a cool air obviously to dry my hair with this one, and this works amazing. I have used even the Philips blow dryer, but it takes ages to dry my hair, while this one dries my hair so fast. It takes only 10 or 15 minutes to dry my hair with this attachment. So the blow dryer is awesome. And the last attachment is this rolling comb. So this will give you a blow drying effect like a salon. So if you want to style your hair and blow dry like a salon, so you can use this attachment. So I'm gonna show you the effect of the small barrel as well as bigger barrel, and also I will show you how to achieve straight hair with this brush. So yeah, that was all about the attachments. Now let's just get started with the first hairstyle. Okay, so it is always advised to damp your hair before styling your hair with Dyson Airwrap, and for that either you can wash your hair or you can use something like this to make your hair wet. So I will just quickly damp my hair with this. Okay, so I've slightly damped my hair with water, and the next step you need to do is use any heat protectant spray, and the one that I regularly use and which works the best for me is from Tresemme. So this is a Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protecting Spray. And I have one more product to show you guys that works wonders for me when I curl my hair, and it makes my hair really soft and shiny whenever I use this oil. So this is a Moroccan oil treatment. So this oil is bomb. Even if you're not styling, you can just use 2 drops of it on your hair and it makes a lot of difference. So you can definitely go on for this one as well. So I'll just quickly spray this all over my hair a little bit. And then I always brush my hair to spread the product all over. So I'm gonna section my hair, and this is how you're supposed to do. You need to style your hair section wise. You cannot work on a lot of hair at once. So I have set the fan speed at medium and the temperature as well on medium heat. And now I'm gonna start straightening with this one. how much it straightens the hair for me, because my hair are so frizzy and curly. They just refuse to be straight. They just cannot be pinpoint straight with any hair styling tool. But I love the effect. I mean, this is a kind of natural straightening which all of us looks for. Now I will just quickly do the rest of my hair. Done with straightening my hair, and this is how my hair looks like. They feel so soft and shiny. If you see, it brings a lot of shine to your hair. So I think it just straightens your hair, maintaining the volume as well. And this is the hairstyle that I wear very often because I love straight hair. So I straightens my hair really often with this one. And now moving on to the next hairstyle. So I'm gonna show you guys the effect of these two barrels, the smaller one as well as the bigger one. So I'll again damp my hair using the water, and then I will go ahead and use the Moroccan oil, because recently I have noticed that whenever I use Moroccan oil before curling my hair, the curls just stay a bit longer. So yeah, let's just damp the hair once again. And now I will take just 2 drops of the Moroccan oil. Actually 1 drop is more than enough if your hair are not totally wet. So I just rub it on my palm and then just apply it all over on my hair. Okay, so I'm done and my hair are back to curly again. Now how you need to use these barrels. So now if you will see the mirror image of these barrels, this one is going on the right side and this one is going on the left side. So if I'll not see the mirror image, this is how these barrels will look like in real. But you have to see the mirror image of these barrels and you have to follow these directions. This is how you're supposed to use these barrels. So now I'll just change this attachment and I will put on the small barrel. Turn on my tool. Press the pull shot for 2 to 3 seconds and turn it off. And there you have your tiny curl. So the small barrel will give you tiny curls like this, but I always like to use the bigger barrel on my hair. So I'm gonna change this attachment and switch it on to the bigger one. Curling all of my hair, and this is how it looks like after finishing. I haven't brushed or combed my hair yet, so you can see the curls really clearly. Now you can leave these curls as is, but I like to brush my hair and make these curls a little soft. So I'll just show you how it looks like after brushing. So I just softly brushed my hair, and this one is probably my go-to look which I always create with the Dyson Airwrap curling barrels. So yeah, that's all about the styling and the 2 hairstyles. In fact, actually 3 hairstyles which you can create. You can either leave those curls the way they were, or you can just brush it and make these soft like this. So we are done with the styling, and now let's just discuss few very important questions about the Dyson Airwrap. So the first question is for how long these curls will stay. These curls stays for me up to 8 to 10 hours like this. Your hair will stay curly for up to 60 to 70% for more than 10 hours. So yeah, these curls will stay for a pretty long time. Now the second very important question, should you get the Dyson Airwrap or not? So for this, the answer is actually very subjective. Now if you're a person who likes to style your hair very often, like I use a blow dryer each time I wash my hair, and I use the straightening attachment as well very often. So if you're somebody who likes to style your hair very often, if you're somebody who wants to just style your hair in different ways with minimal heat damages, then you can definitely get Dyson Airwrap. Now I didn't bought this one on my own. It was gifted to me by my husband on my previous birthday in September. So if you're thinking to invest so much of money, then give it a thought. I mean, like I said, that if you want to style your hair with minimal damage, and if you want to give your hair that volume and shine at home without going to the salon, then I feel Dyson Airwrap is totally worth your money. So yeah, that was all about my reviews on the Dyson Airwrap. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you guys soon in the next one. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.